Hello citizens, welcome back to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, silliness, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our look into divination with playing cards with the Seven of Hearts. In this system, the Seven of Hearts is called the Fly-by-Night. This is a card of doubt and disappointment. It signifies unfortunate changes like plans and promises being broken. You or someone you have a close relationship with are probably showing signs of being unreliable at this time. When you see this card, you want to be mindful of how people are perceiving you. This doesn't mean you have to play any sort of role or be fake with people, but you do want to do your best to make sure you are presenting your most genuine self. Also, be consistent with your word. For instance, if someone asks you to help them with something and you know you can't, just say so instead of having to back out at the last minute. It look like a flake, and nobody likes a flake. That's it for the Seven of Hearts. If you like this video or have questions, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And if you are brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and check out these videos on Cartomancy so that you can get all caught up. Until I see you next time in the cards.